Okay, student, now let us try to solve this given numerical problem. What is the problem? Here, three resistors 1 ohm, 2 ohms and 3 ohm are combined in series. There are three resistance combined in series. What is the equivalent resistance of the combination? What is available here? Here, three resistors are connected in series. Okay, let us say take R1, R2 and R3. These are connected in series. I have already explained series connection and having value, but value of this is 1 ohm, this is of this resistance 2 ohm, and resistance of third resistor will have the value of resistance 3 ohm. Okay, and then what will be its equivalent resistance? What we have seen here, RS. When connected in series, RS is what? That is the sum of R1 plus R2 plus R3. Sum of all the three resistances. That is what? 1 plus 2 plus here the 6. तो इसका equivalent resistance कितना होगा? This is the solution of first. Okay. Now है ना, क्लियर है ना, तीनों का इक्विवेलेंट कितना होगा? 1 plus 2 plus 3. We have already found out this relation. That what was that? That was RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and we have just sum it, and this is 6. Now let us come at if the combination is connected to an EMF of 12 volt. क्या कर रहे हैं कि इसको हम लोग क्या कर दे रहे हैं, कनेक्ट कर दे रहे हैं एक 12 वोल्ट के बैटरी से. क्या कर दिए, यहाँ एक सेल लगा दिए, कितना का? 12 वोल्ट का. ओके ओके, देन व्हाट इज गिवन हियर? if the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 12 volt and a negligible internal resistance. For your information, I am explaining internal resistance. Each battery or cell may have its internal resistance. है ना, जैसे आप नया में खरीदते हैं तो इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस लगभग क्या होता है, किसी भी बैटरी का 0 होता है, एंड इट gives full potential, and when it is just become older and older, its internal resistances are increased. Then here what? Don't go in detail. Here what? Internal resistance is having negligible. तो इसका आपका कोई resistance नहीं है. Let us leave it. Then what we have to do? Obtain the potential drop across each resistor. हम लोग क्या लिए थे? इसके अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप क्या लिए थे? V1, एंड पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप अक्रॉस दिस वाज V2, एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस दिस वाज V3. ओके, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट? V1, V2, एंड we have to find out these values. How this will be found? Here let us say that current passing through this is I. Then what we are getting? Potential difference V1 plus V2 plus V3 equal to V. Okay, and V1 is what? That is I into R1. I current is passing through this one because this is in series, same current will pass. Then this is IR1, this is IR2, and this is IR3. Okay, and their value is what? Value of V is 12. Then let us take common R. I R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 12, and already we have found out this thing. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 12, and this is what? I equal to I into 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6 equal to 12. Therefore I is equal to what? 12 by 6. That is how much? 12 by 6, that is 12. Okay, 12. Now V1 is what? V1 is equal to IR1. that is I is 2, R1 is 1 ohm, then 2 into 1, that is 2 volt, into unit of V is volt, 2 volts. V2 is what? IR2. I is what? 2 ampere. R2 is 2 ohm. Then this is what? 4 volts. And V3 is what? IR3. I is what? That is 2. R3 is what? 3. That is 6 volts. These are the potential drops. Obtain the potential drop across each resistor. This is the potential drop of first resistor, second resistor, potential drop of third resistor. Okay. Then this is the solution of resistances connected in series. Okay.